as a teacher how you can use the Teams with the feature Meet Now in order to have a distance learning. So when I press on Meet Now, I will have this screen. So in here I can write the subject, which is, for example, chemistry. For example, if I need to speak about chemistry in my session, either I can start the meeting right now or I can schedule it. And if I schedule in the meeting, it will be like I can put the time frame, and I will select the classroom in here. So when I press on send, everyone in this team will receive this schedule via the email, as well as it will appear over here in the chat, as you can see. So later on the student will press on it and will be able to join your meeting. Now let's say that this meeting started from now. So I will make now for the physics. I will press on Meet Now. Okay, when I press on Meet Now, I have this screen over here. I will start from the attendees. So from here, I can press on the attendees list so I can see who joined my meeting. I can simply press on any one of them and ask them to join. And also I can take a copy of the link from over here and send it to them via email or any sort of thing. Now, or I can send it via the chat so that my student who already joined my meeting will share it with their teammates. Okay, as you can see here, I will press on send, and in this way they will be able to have the link for the meeting. So this chat is very crucial for us because in here you can follow up with your student, and you can check with your student whether they have any question, and also in here I can, for example, I can use the praise in order to send any card for the student. So in here, for example, awesome, so I can type the name of my attendees, anyone in the meeting, and I can here customize the thank you meeting, like awesome job, thanks for being proactive. So this is a very nice way of motivating students while they are with you on the call. Also, while I'm explaining, I can send for them a poll. So from here, I will go and I will click on forms. So from the forms, I can put any question. For example, did you understand this question or this objective? And then the artificial intelligence will give me some suggestions. So I will add them all, and in this way the first question is ready. When I press next, it will give me the layout, how it will look like, and I will press send. So now my student, if they already joined my meeting, they will be able to answer in here, and I can see the percentage of their feedback. And this is a very nice way when you do any kind of distance learning. Another good thing is when you click on here, and let's say that I'm sitting in a place, I don't want to show my background, I can blur my background, or simply I can start recording. So what will happen when you start recording? It will automatically be saved under stream, and the student who weren't able to join you in this meeting will be able to come back and follow up with your video. Now, let us say that I'm a teacher and I want to share my screen, and I have a presentation ready so that I can explain from this presentation. So I will select share and I will pick desktop. Okay. Okay, so now my desktop is being shared. I can go to the PowerPoint. I can click here on the PowerPoint slideshow, and from bottom down I will have the symbol of the pen. So when I click on it, I will have the first option, which is the laser. So in here I can explain on my screen. The second thing I have it over here is the pen. So I can click on the pen and I can start writing, so I can explain on my PowerPoint. Then I can erase it or keep it, or use the highlighter to highlight certain facts that I have. Okay, and in here I can select to show subtitles, so it will transform whatever I'm saying into words. And also when I finish and the show, it will ask me whether the notes that I put it on the PowerPoint will. Now that we have finished the session, we can go here and we can say stop recording, and then we will close it. When we close this meeting, it will take like 5 to 10 minutes, and the student will have the video recorded in the chatting with everything that happened during this distance learning. So as we can see, the video is ready and everyone can watch it in the same channel. So any student who is missing this session, they can go back to their classroom and watch the video. As a teacher, I didn't save anything. I didn't upload on YouTube and then repost it here. It's automatically saved.